Hello viewers, welcome to SS tutorial. Today in this video, I will discuss about the differences between renewable and non-renewable resources. So let's begin. Resources which are once consumed that can be renewed or reproduced with the passage of time by physical, mechanical and chemical processes are called as renewable resources like air, water, fish in the ocean and so on. Non-renewable resources are those resources which are limited in the nature and once we consumed, they cannot be reproduced or it takes millions of years to reproduce. Metal, coal, petroleum and natural gases are examples of non-renewable resources. Let's find out some differences between renewable and non-renewable resources. Once consumed, renewable resources can be reproduced easily, whereas non-renewable resources cannot be reproduced or it takes millions of years to reproduce. Quantity of renewable resources in the earth is endless, but quantity of the non-renewable resources in the earth is limited. Most of the renewable resources are available almost everywhere, whereas most of the non-renewable resources are not available everywhere. They are found in the specific places. Renewable resources are not decreases, even with repeated and continuous use, whereas non-renewable resources are decreases and may even completely finished with continuous use. As renewable resources are available everywhere, so they can be extracted very easily with less effort and they are not expensive to extract. Whereas non-renewable resources are not available everywhere. They are found only specific places, so they are very expensive to extract and needs very much efforts and hard work. Most of the renewable resources are eco-friendly in nature. Use and extraction of these types of resources are not pollute the environment. But most of the non-renewable resources are not eco-friendly. Use and extraction of these types of resources causes pollution. Industrial use of renewable resources are very low, whereas industrial use of non-renewable resources are very high. Importance of renewable resources in economic and social development is very low, whereas importance of non-renewable resources in economic and social development is very high. Hope all the differences are clear to you. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.